was deprived of my young girl's dream by the cruel force of nature from the blue. Instead of a night full of romance supreme, all I got was a runny nose and Asiatic blue. It's raining prom night. My hair is a mess. It's running all over. My taffeta dress. It's wilting in my maiden form. Mascara flows my nose, right down my nose. Because it's raining, I don't even have my corsage. Oh, gee, it fell down the sewer with my sister's ID. It's raining.
It's raining on prom night.
What
can I
do?
It's raining. Rain from the skies. And it's raining.
Tears from my eyes.
Dear God, make him feel the same way I do right now. Make him want to see me again.